Welcome to OpenText Experts. My name is Bart Dierich, and I work on the Content Server technical support team. Today I want to talk to you about some trending issues we have seen and how to fix them. Let's get started. Chapters for the topic are below, so feel free to skip ahead to the section most relevant to you. From time to time, Outlook will disable the Enterprise Connect add-in. The users will see add-in problem. A problem was detected with an add-in and has been disabled. This happens because Outlook times how long the add-in takes to load during the previous 5 times. If the median time exceeds 1 second, then Outlook will disable that add-in. In order to resolve this, the administrator will need to go into the group policy and adjust the configuration. There's also a registry key that can be added instead of going into the group policy. You can add the Enterprise Connect Outlook add-in as a registry key on the current user software policy directly in the registry. Both options can be pushed to a user so that Outlook will prevent the Enterprise Connect add-in from being disabled. Check out the description below for the KBA that addresses this topic. Now let's discuss a recent change to the way OTDS and Content Server work together in recent versions. For OTDS 16.4.3 and later, you will need to explicitly grant Content Server access to create or update objects within OTDS. This is done through a resource principal account that exists for each resource within OTDS. See the description below for the way to resolve this issue. Now we move on to workflow. We see tickets coming in for customers that upgrade to Content Server 16.2.7, and the workflow history does not appear anymore. Any of the workflows that were created prior to the upgrade will not show up by default. There's a simple fix for this in the Content Server administration page. Read the description below for the KBA to solve this one. I'd also like to touch on upgrading Brava for Content Suite. This will always coincide with an upgrade of Content Server. However, not all Content Suite upgrades require an upgrade of Brava. To be certain, always check the release notes for the version of Brava for Content Suite which have been installed or are planning on upgrading to. Upgrading Brava for Content Suite means removing the old version entirely and installing the new version in its place. There's a sequence of steps which must be followed in order to ensure that all of the components are removed correctly, particularly the patches. These are all outlined in the KBA linked in the description below. Making sure you have the right version of Brava installed with the latest patches will ensure a successful upgrade to your content suite. And that concludes OpenText Experts. Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can bring you more helpful content. Also, let us know in the comments below what other customer support issues you'd like to see us talk about in upcoming videos. I'll see you next time.